Hi everyone.
Hello.
Thanks for coming. There is a huge significance in small acts. Whether for a single meal or for every meal for the rest of your life, a plant-based diet can make significant change. Human beings can create a ripple effect, and when united, we can create something much bigger, even if it seems small. As someone who is passionate about both the environment as well as a plant-based diet, the two go hand in hand. Environmentalism starts at the dinner table, and here is why. Firstly, animal agriculture is one of the most unsustainable practices worldwide. As CNN reports, it takes more than 2,400 gallons of water to produce 1 pound of meat, and only 25 gallons to produce 1 pound of wheat. That is a lot of water for just a few minutes of enjoyment. In other terms, eating just one hamburger is like leaving the shower running for 3 months straight. There are so many studies that explain why the water usage in animal proteins is so high, but I like to look at these graphs more. On your left, you see the many different types of animal agriculture, and on the right, in green, you see the many different types of plant-based sources. As you can see, beef, sheep, pork, butter, these things are monumentally high in water usage, but in other types of resources as well. In addition to high water usage, 700 million tons of food goes towards livestock each year, as CNN once reported. The sheer volume of plants and food it takes to feed these hungry animals always surprises me, and it should surprise you too. There are over 690 million undernourished people in the world. The amount of food that is needed to grow cows, turkeys, sheep, and chickens is so incredibly mind-blowing. It's important to think about how much land, energy, and food that is required and how wasteful it all is just to feed animals, which then goes towards feeding humans. Lastly, the issue of land, or lack thereof, can be partly linked to animal agriculture. Deforestation is a major concern. About 80% of all deforestation is due to cattle raising. It may surprise you how much of the Amazon rainforest is cut down. And it's important to stop supporting this. There are so many trees that are cut down so that the land can be used for both growing plants for animals, as well as the animals themselves to be raised and eaten. Furthermore, as our environmental concern grows and deepens and our earth begins to fail, it is so important to understand the environmental footprint of the food that you eat. We have to make smarter decisions on our plates so that we can make better decisions for mankind. There are so many factors that come into play when it comes to animal agriculture and environmentalism. But we can obviously see the sheer environmental concern that animal agriculture has on our environment. It is time to stop supporting these companies with your money and fuel your bodies with plants. Together, we can save water, forests, food, and our planet as well. Thank you.